If you use Evernote on more than one device, syncing is what keeps all your notes, edits, and updates in one place. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to sync Evernote the easy way on desktop and mobile, plus a quick troubleshooting tip if your notes are not updating right away. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, make sure Evernote is installed on every device you want to use. That could be your Windows computer, Mac, phone, or tablet. The most important part is that you're using the exact same Evernote account on each device, so sign in with the same email and password, or the same login method like Google or Apple, depending on how you created your account. Once you're signed in, connect each device to the internet. Evernote syncs automatically in the background whenever it has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. That means if you create a note on your phone, it should appear on your laptop after syncing finishes. If you edit a checklist on your tablet, those changes should show up on your other devices too. On desktop, if you want to force Evernote to reconnect faster, you can reload the app view. On Windows, use Ctrl+R. On Mac, use Command+R. This can help refresh the app and trigger a new sync connection, especially if something seems stuck or delayed. After reloading, give Evernote a moment to catch up and update your notes. Now let's talk about the basic sync flow. Open a note on one device and make a small change, like adding a line of text or editing a title. Then switch to your other device and wait a few seconds. In most cases, Evernote should update automatically. If it doesn't, check your internet connection first. Then confirm that you're still signed in to the same account on both devices. If you're using Evernote on mobile, keep the app open for a moment so it has time to finish syncing in the background. Sometimes mobile apps can take a little longer depending on battery settings, connection strength, or how many notes need to update. A strong internet connection usually makes syncing much faster and more reliable. If you still do not see your notes syncing, try closing and reopening the app, then check again. In some cases, signing out and signing back in can help, but only do that if necessary and make sure you know your login details before you start. The key is to use the same Evernote account everywhere. Keep the app updated and stay connected to the internet. So to recap, syncing Evernote is really just a few simple steps. Install the app on all your devices, sign in with the same account, stay connected to the internet, and refresh the desktop app if needed using Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. That's the easiest way to keep your notes updated across every device. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more quick Evernote and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.